We're gonna have fun today. Hey, and welcome to Off-Road Gospel today. Out here near West Branch, got a group of people. You got Zach's rig, mine. This here is Austin's, XJ, Colton, Trail Bandit. He's got his, and we got, I believe it's, the additional Jeep today. So we're gonna be heading out, we're gonna hit some trails, have a little fun. We've had a lot of rain, so we have no idea what kind of weather, what kind of trail conditions. We're guessing mud, so we'll see. Should be a lot of fun though. Thanks for coming along, and let's get out on the trails. So I just have to. She's rocking an awesome sweaty.
Yeah. Didn't even plan on wearing it.
That's awesome. It worked out great.
Yeah.
We know which the best channel is.
Oh yeah.
Off-Road Gospel. Until it gets.
I'll vote for yours.
Until it gets hardcore. Then it's Trail Bandit.
Exactly.
I'll send him.
If you want to learn how to use the skinny pedal, Trail Bandit.
I guess we're leaving.
Oh yeah, we're leaving. I'll get used to this thing, don't you worry.
Still a little bit of snow on it.
Yep.
That's not good though, because you probably get stuck.
Well, we do have the shovel of shame with us.
We do, yes.
More information to come on that.
Maybe worse.
Here's my idea. So I was just telling them about this here, folding shovel. Thank you, George. I'm not sure whether to, be happy or sad about it, but seeing me get stuck all these times in the snow, he brings this to our ride that we just did recently. But I'm thinking about naming it the shovel of shame.
I feel that fits.
And then anytime anybody on a trail ride gets stuck, we should probably include breakdowns.
Yeah.
They have to have a picture taken with the shovel of shame. So George, I want your feedback on this if you're cool with this. So but yeah, I was like, you know what, that would be fun.
That would be pretty funny.
So I'm gonna see if I can get my wife to kind of write some nice text on it or something like that. But
that'd be pretty good.
So love to hear the feedback on that, especially you, George. Make sure you're cool with it, because I know it was such a thoughtful gift to get somebody who gets stuck all the time. She step on you?
Nope.
Seatbelt?
Nope. Gym.
Huh?
The gym.
Oh. Muscles are getting thrown around a little more than
yeah. It's awesome. It's like, ouch, 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 ouch. Solid underneath, isn't it?
That's fun.
That's right when I turn it. that's right. You got the roof drop off here. Yeah. But a slipper. Ooh. Yeah. I love how that fog is in the forest.
Yeah.
Wow, that's really got washed out. Do you want me to hold the camera while you drive?
No, I'm good.
All right.
For right now. Until I drop it.
Send them that way.
Yeah. Yeah, this one's like downhill, off camber.
Yep.
Nice and fun. Yeah, it didn't used to. This is washed out quite a bit.
Yeah, I don't remember. We were on this trail. That's a big old root.
Yeah, it is. It's got a big bump without being aired down, too.
Yeah. Like that.
This is some cool riding.
Here it is, Skinny Pedal Hill.
It didn't look like he was pushing it that hard.
Required a lot less skinny pedal than last time I climbed it, that's for sure.
Yeah, that was easy for you this time. Over there.
Yeah.
Nice.
Deeper than you think. Yeah. Ice too. It's still really solid underneath, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is this where you slid off, Jeff, into that tree?
We're nearby there, but no.
You had to bring it up, right?
And thank you for bringing that up.
You're welcome. I just randomly thought about that. I seen the big notch on the tree.
It's amazing how many people randomly think about me getting stuck.
There wasn't that much video evidence of it.
I don't.
Makes you feel any better, Jeff? I snapped my U-joint up here a little ways.
My hope is no one gets the shovel of shame today. Ice doesn't help.
No.
Iceberg ahead. there's a mud hole for you.
That looks deep.
Nah, it's not bad.
I can't see it.
We see Ashley on the other side floating on a piece of wood and you're gone. We know what happened. Titan! Sure if he got it or not.
Oh.
Let's see if she is.
Yeah. But it's solid for deep though.
You know, since Zach, we've been talking about people getting stuck, we're going to be coming up to a spot that you might remember.
I'm trying to remember when I've been stuck.
Oh, I was with you.
Yeah, think about leaning up against a tree like you were talking about with what I did.
Oh man, I remember that. I was scared. Like, I don't know how I didn't wreck something.
That's right up here at the where this dead ends.
Like, that snow it just pulled me right in.
Yep, right where this dead ends, right on the left of us. That's where it will be.
I'd have been running for the hills too. Yeah, it looks real familiar.
Yep, right there. I got it too close and whoop.
Until the next little bit here. I mean, I'm not sure if you were dancing or a mariachi band, but
Well, you know,
wow.
the airing down didn't help that one.
So, about 13 degrees.
Not too bad.
Now we're whooping.
I feel like I'm on a boat though.
Yeah, it's like a cruise. Very low budget.
I'm just
Not
glad.
any amenities.
Yes. I'm just glad you didn't say it was the love boat.
No. Wrong person in the passenger seat. For the
Yeah.
Yeah. Nothing against you.
No, you're good, man. Don't worry. Not exactly my type. One goes on the outside, the other one goes just straight down the middle.
Why? It's not good. Yeah. Speed doesn't help.
Nope.
Yeehaw!
Jeez.
I think I would have preferred the deep mud hole.
Yeah, most definitely.
You'll be bouncing. Yeehaw! Giddy up!
I feel like I'm riding a horse. They plan on having fun, don't they?
I plan on having fun.
Nice.
He's right there. Behind you, bro.
Karolina, come here.
Get her exercising.
Like that.
He needs to shave us some more.
No, don't give up yet. If he can hit it and go to the side. Yep. Come on, get the back end over. Hopefully it'll move when he backs up. Hey.
If he gets this out, dude, I'm gonna be impressed.
He's done.
Do we need to come tug you?
Just need a little tug.
Ew. Oh, he got buried. Yeah. Who's gonna get still the same?
Maybe multiple.
We're going the wrong direction. This is loose sand here.
Yeah, it is.
So I'm thinking I'm gonna have to hook another strap to this, but I think we'll reach. Give you a pull.
Somebody lost a brake.
I'm sure they lost lots of things in there.
Yeah.
You've got a bow shackle there, right? So okay. So you go ahead and hook up, see where we're at, and then we'll kind of go from there.
Oh man. Yeah, I'm not going down there.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, that's
Because
fine.
I
Do
died.
it.
Me walking on this stuff is not always.
All right. Everyone stay clear.
Okay, I'm gonna try to pull you as slowly as I can, because I don't know, I don't want to do too hard on that push rope. Let me know when the line gets tight.
All good.
All right, well, the first honoree of the shovel of shame, he got caught in some deep sand. So he had the vehicle for it, just had a bad line, and that happens to the best of us. So he is our first honorary winner of, I'm sure, me getting it many times and others as well. So congratulations. I'll do the fist bump because you're greasy. So. We'll see. Two-wheel drive. I think I'll be all right.
You can do it. I have confidence in you. Maybe I should put my seatbelt on.
See, what's funny is I really don't think about that because I'm so used to having her sitting on the front seat,
Yeah.
and it goes up all the time.
Yeah.
Sometimes you almost have to let yourself get stuck.
Well, you seem pretty good at that.
Yeah, I'm sure that will make the video somehow. But you know, like they say, you fail at everything you don't try.
That's true.
Well, we have reached the end of the trail, so we are gonna kind of go around and kind of get everyone's thoughts of the day. Robert, Mr. Duckman.
I had a great time. It was a lot of fun. Lots of mud. So
Yeah.
that was fun.
Yeah, and if anyone's ever seen what we do with the little dance party clip there, we were getting thrown around pretty good. So, all right, Colton and Ashley, what were your thoughts today?
I thought it was a great trip, especially since I was leading. Nobody broke, so that's good.
Yeah.
You know,
That's always good.
It's always fun when we come out here. I love
Yeah.
being out here.
Yeah,
It was
it's a
just
good
fun. There
time.
was some mud holes for sure.
Yeah,
Some good mud, some trees, everything. I didn't even need to use my chainsaw, which that's a good.
I had mine. Just in case.
As
So,
backup. We didn't need it.
yeah.
We were good.
Austin, what are your thoughts of the day?
A good chill trip. No winching. Nobody broke. Just good fun time.
Yep. Only one time did we have to break out the shovel of shame. So.
Yeah, somebody got it.
But that was. I mean, he just dug into that sand. I mean, that was rough.
You definitely gave it a
Yes.
good old college try, that's
Yeah.
for sure.
I
Yeah,
bailed. It's not because I was in the front seat.
Mary, what were your thoughts of the day?
I had fun, but I bailed when he kissed the sand hill.
Yeah. Well, he was suggesting you sit on the
Yeah,
hood.
When he made the
Yeah.
fat joke.
Yeah, like
he made
no,
the fat joke. I was like, nope, I gotta
no,
go.
we're good. Like I'm out of here. Mike, thoughts of the day?
I'm just glad I was able to hook up with you guys finally. I've been waiting forever, and
Yeah.
I enjoy it. I love trailing, and I'll go anywhere with anybody. So
It's a good time. It's good.
Or you just have,
Zach, how about you? What were your thoughts today?
Fun. Honestly, it was messy. It's been raining nonstop. I will tell you, St. Helen reminds me of why I normally try to get out of St. Helen as fast as I can.
Yeah.
I
The
go to
washboard.
the chiropractor. Everything's
Yeah.
washboard.
The
But no,
washboard
it was
bad.
honestly a blast.
Yeah.
Blast.
And how about you? What were your thoughts of the day today? Sand? You're having fun in the sand? That's cool. It is. It was fun. I had a little two-wheel drive fun in it. So, thanks for coming along. Hope you have time for the devotion at the end. But God bless, and we will see you real soon. Everyone say bye.
Later.
Ecclesiastes chapter 12, verse 8. Everything is meaningless, says the teacher, completely meaningless. And he goes on to talk about wisdom and things of that nature. And then in verse 13 that's the whole story. Here now is my final conclusion. Fear God and obey his commands, for this is everyone's duty. Solomon goes through and discusses and talks about all these things over the years that he learned and all that he did. He refers to himself as the teacher because of the great wisdom he was given. But he found that all these things he knew and all this great wisdom was meaningless if he had forgotten God. We sometimes think it's our accomplishments and the great things that we do that bring honor to God, where it's simply just following him, knowing him, loving him, and allowing him to lead our lives. This is truly what it's all about. We get caught up in so many things, that at the end, they'll be meaningless. While I hope that some of the things I share in the devotions can encourage and help people along their journey with the Lord, the trail rides themselves, in the end, don't bring meaning. They're enjoyable, they're fun, they're a way for us to unwind, but ultimately it is following what it is God wants, not my accomplishments, not the things I've done, not the great things that I've learned and tried to share, but by simply doing and accomplishing that which the Lord would have me to do. Don't be weary in well-doing. Continue to do the work that God calls you to, but remember, in the end, it's all about us following him, following the one who paid the price, who made the sacrifice. It's all about letting him lead our lives, allowing him to be the rabbi, the teacher, the master, and we just be his disciple. Keep holding on to his word. Keep holding on to the guidance and the direction he has for your life. It's not in the accomplishments. It's in the trust. It's in the following. It's in the obedience to him. May the Lord richly bless you, and I pray that he is with you, keeps you, and his hand is upon you in the name of Jesus Christ. God bless.